Welcome traders to the first episode of Nifty Short Term View. Initially, I used to share my views on Nifty futures for the short term in a written blog format. But in last few days, I made a decision that instead of writing blogs, I will try to share it in a video format. So I'll be able to share with you in a little bit of more detail. So it will be helpful to all of you. And for the short term view, I will generally delve into the hourly chart and in the daily chart. So first, let's check what is happening in the daily chart. In last few days, you saw even in my weekly sectoral analysis, I clearly mentioned that the trend was absolutely flat and we needed some sort of direction from the market to tell us clearly what direction market is going to take. And today was the day where market clearly shouted that the prices want to inch higher. And you can see that prices were taking support from the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement over here. According to me, this is not a very strong support considering the daily chart, but nevertheless, prices have shot up. If you check in terms of volume, you can see volumes are also pretty decent. All right. So overall things are looking good, but you need to also understand where is the resistance and support coming in the shorter time frame chart. Now, in the shorter term time frame, if you check properly, we do have a trend line breakout in RSI. Prices are trading above both the moving averages and even in the daily chart. We saw over here, even in the daily chart. Now, with today's close, prices have closed above both the moving averages. So first thing is that the state of trend is up in all time frames. Now, if you check in terms of support, the immediate support in case there is some sort of consolidation, or in case if Nifty futures thinks of retracing first and then it goes higher, then this entire band between 18,000 to 17,900, it will provide immediate support to the price. And at higher levels, according to me, 18,300 to 18,350, this entire horizontal band is going to give a strong resistance in the short term to Nifty futures. Let's have a look at the overall sectoral analysis. Basically, what has happened today? If you check properly, most of the sectoral indexes have closed positive except the private banking and the pharma index. Basically, apart from that, all of the indexes have closed in green, especially the PSU banking pack, the metal pack. These two indexes have outperformed basically. All right. So according to my analysis, it is clear that the trend is up. We do have a trend line breakout in the RSI, which emphasizes that bulls have taken control in the market. And with time, there is a probability that 18,300 levels could be tested in next few days. In fact, prices could inch higher also, but for that to happen, we will need a close above 18,350, 18,400 levels. In case if prices closes above 18,300, 350 and 18,400, then it is also possible that we will see Nifty testing somewhere around 18,550 to maybe even 18,600 levels. All right. So pick your stocks wisely and don't over leverage and trade wisely. Thank you. And let me know, by the way, how did you find this video in your comments below? Thank you so much.